What's up, everybody? Welcome to a league night review. It's myself, Madison, the Black Widow Dynasty, and the Hammerhead Pearl. So both these balls, two very different balls from the new Hammer releases that we got coming out. I personally, super excited for the Black Widow Dynasty. I will say, a little preface to the video, I was running extremely late and got 0 minutes out of my 10 minutes of practice. I think I got one shot, so about 15 seconds worth of the practice. So for that being said, forgive my game one, and we'll show a lot of shots of Madison game one and maybe one or two of me yanking the ball over my toe and sending it out to the gutter. So let's get into this league night review with my Hammerhead Pearl and my Black Widow Dynasty, as well as Madison's Hammerhead Pearl and Black Widow Dynasty. Let's get into it. Oh my. Shit.
That's all I want.
I could use some snow.
I could.
For the rest of the books, are you putting in? I'm still deciding, but
And it feels like there's no oil on the lane, but then your ball does like a weird carry down thing down lane, which saves you $5,000. So, bang bang. It's back to team trials. I could swear to you.
going through grief, and as like you progress through the book, she gets like insane. She goes insane. Yeah. I really want. No, like, they don't have any education, so it's like they don't know how to communicate with people. I'm waiting to pull the trigger on them.
Did it again. Thanks.
It was written on the wall 4 weeks ago. They were going to make the playoffs and they were going to lose the first round.
They can't score. Oh my God, I can't get it off my hand. Oh, actually, no, she doesn't. She has a great job. Nationally. Pretty good at it. Yeah, she knows everybody, who to call, when to call. Game one, 234 for Madison. We will not speak of my score. Let's just put it that way. I was getting warmed up and it was very hard because in that bowling alley, I always feel like I have to throw it hard. I have to keep it kind of in front of me. And with a ball like the Black Widow Dynasty that's strong, it's going to take a little bit more speed from me. And after, you know, not having warm up, throwing my first shot with a lot of speed, really hard. Split a bunch of times, made a couple of them, missed a couple of them. And I ended up with 160, but Madison had a really good 230. I wish I could have shown you guys more shots, but I was also, unfortunately, getting the camera gear set up. But her Black Widow looks really good. She was able to play a little further right just naturally with the rev rate, the speed, all of the things that combine into her game. But hers looked pretty good going through the pins, and was a pocket finder for sure. So before we talk too much about these balls, let me get to throwing some good shots, and we'll chat again after game two. Yeah, I guess they'll rain. Because it hasn't been twice. There have been some rumblings. There have been so good. was me. He was like, oh, like I'll figure it. Like I got the money. I'll send it straight to your school. Yeah, just like. My God, I can bowl. I swear, I can do it.
You're gonna beat your last game in no time.
Oh my God. There's no way I'm striking the rest of the game. Oh, push.
9 was rolling around. I was like, yeah, he's not coming. And then you guys didn't even start at 9.
Oh.
I got the Energize.
USA experience, not the Team USA 1 week of trials. And then,
Holly, what are you reading currently? Are you reading anything? Oh, The Boyfriend. That's right.
thank you. Oh my.
Which is like,
It happened again. I do want to join it. Yeah!
Probably won't.
Yeah! I haven't gone yet. We'll be down like 60 overall after the game. It's good. Sit there. Game 2, much better. I had 2 Black Widow Dynasties. One was pin up, which would be a 30 by 4 by 20, and then the pin down one for me was a 60 by 4.5 by 60. So I chose the pin down one with it being league easier. I'm looking for more down lane reaction. I'm looking for the ball to store more energy and give a little more kick down lane. Also just hook a little less overall for me because of how much Seneca Bowl hooks on their house shot, at least for me. But 265 for me, which was a front 8 questionable shot to say the least. Struggling with a little physical game here. A lot of my shots I felt like, I don't want to get some hate from the one-handers, but a lot of shots I feel like hung up on my fingers, or it felt like I was out of time. So I was ready to throw the ball, but the ball wasn't ready to come off my hand. So a little early timing, late timing, just bad timing. So 265 for me. Really good shots, a lot of them. Finally found the groove. In the last game, I'm going to throw the Hammerhead Pearl just to show you guys the 2 options, the 2 differences. Madison switched to her Hammerhead Pearl in the middle of the game. Her Black Widow started just getting a little too slow off the spot, a little too big and chuggy, which is exactly when I thought it would, kind of the middle of game 2. If we had a little less traffic from our teammates, I thought it would last till game 3. And if we had more traffic, maybe from the other team or from some of our teammates, I thought she would run into it almost after game 1. So Hammerhead Pearl should be a little cleaner, a little more kick down lane for both of us, pin up for both of us, not the same layout, but for me, pin up layout, or actually pin up for her, pin down for me. So a little different layout for both of us, but yeah. Hopefully it looks good, and hopefully we can finish off good, because that game got me back to plus, which is not usually something I say when we're bowling on the house shot. I slept. That is funny. Oh, it moved. It's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. They're all worth an additional 3. It's first one's 5, and then it's an additional. So like.
No, there's another one.
Oh. The meter again before you're like, I can't move. Like, I threw that horrendous. What? See it? No fumbles or picks. Turnovers on downs, yes. Videos. They send me ball for videos. Then they send me. Yeah? Send me ball for videos, then they send. Who's that tight end on the Steelers? That's no, the dude that's because you're getting sick. Do it. The problem is he doesn't want to come back inside the house because there's like shit on the ground. He likes to pick up all of the leaves. Oh, 7-10? Okay, all right. Every time Drews is in here, we all go well the last game. During the car, picking up all the leaves. There's like a little stick on the ground, he'll play with it. There's too much in there to distract him. All right, I'll let Madison share her words, but from me going over what this ball did, the Hammerhead Pearl was way cleaner, way more of a kick down lane than the Black Widow 3.0 Dynasty. However, I will say it's probably not the league ball for me. It's a little too clean, a little bit forward down lane. It just squares off a little bit too much, where this would be more of a ball that I would take to some of those longer patterns, and I could get a Pearl ball that's going to pick up a little bit more in the middle of the lane than usual. Usually when I throw the Pearl balls in the house shots, I just go all the way weak. I have another one. I'm going to try another layout on it, lay it out a little bit differently. I think laying it out a little bit stronger, cracking the cover just with like a 2000 pad would do me wonders for that ball. But I did shoot 240. So with that being said, I did shoot 240. I ended up with 679. Madison ended up with 686. She went 234, 225, 227. So she bowled very consistent, lots of shots in the pocket. I wish I could have gotten more of her shots on camera. But I was bad at pressing the record button at the right time.
I really like the Hammerhead Pearl.
More of a league ball for you?
I like how smooth it is. It's predictable. It's easier to make moves off of it. The Black Widow Dynasty was really nice at the beginning though. And then whenever it was swirly, that's a good whenever that gets swirly, ball down to
the Hammerhead Pearl?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you would have a ball in between it, like the Alert or something like that?
Yeah. I think the Alert would be nice. Where was the Energize fit in there?
In between them.
In between, yeah.
Yeah. You throw the Energize a lot in the league.
Yeah, then that's why I was asking if it would be that in between.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Nice bowling.
Thanks. Nice bowling.
I almost had you.
After the first game.
I almost ran you down.
Okay. It's
Oh,
called
okay.
consistency.
Oh, okay.
It's called consistency.
You don't like me beating myself by 98 the second game to first game?
No.
Thank you guys for watching this League Night review. And if you guys want to see more of these and maybe a little bit better version of this, let me know down below in the comments. We'll see you next time on the House Extras. Thanks for watching. Toodaloo!